UT plays mathematics. This is an intro to the course. During this video, we will talk about what is UT Plays Math, the benefits and the requirements. We'll talk about the course and how to enroll and the timeline for the course, and then the additional endorsements that you can receive by completing the course. First, let's talk about what is UT Plays Math. Well, there are some benefits to it. First, it is subscription based, which means that it is $1,250 for a year. We will meet the state requirements for your educational prep program. You will also receive PDPs for completion of the modules, and you will receive one Praxis voucher included as a part of your subscription. Throughout the course, you will receive support, and this is invaluable. There will be weekly review sessions, dedicated support person, and access to support beyond the course. There are some requirements that you need to consider before you sign up to take UT Plays Mathematics. In order to get an additional endorsement, you must have a professional teaching license. This does not include counseling, social work, or other non-teaching licenses. You must be prepared to make a one-year commitment to complete the course. Should you complete the course before that year is up, you may move on and do another endorsement via the UT Plays platform. Lastly, you must pass the test. You have to receive a passing score on the Praxis exam for the endorsement that you would like to receive. For middle grades mathematics, that is the Praxis 5164. And for secondary mathematics 6 through 12, that is going to be Praxis 5165. There will be 5 learning modules in the course. If you choose to do the middle grades mathematics endorsement, you can also do an additional module for an Algebra 1 employment standard. We're going to focus a lot on pedagogy during the course. Through competency-based assessments, you'll do some lesson planning and some lesson revisions, and you are going to work on high-quality instructional materials that you can use when you are in the classroom. The content is very rigorous. You will have to read as well as complete and pass quizzes and assessments. There are videos and review materials all throughout the course. There are weekly support sessions, and if you need direct answers, you can schedule office hours throughout the week. This course is at your own speed, so you need to know that we will ensure that you complete in a year, but you are allowed to take your time and complete the course as needed throughout the school year. Those additional endorsements that I mentioned earlier were Praxis 5164, which is going to give you a middle grades mathematics endorsement. It allows you to teach grades 6 through 8 and 6 through 8 only. I believe that you are able to teach down to 5th grade. However, you are not allowed to teach up to Algebra 1 unless you do the Algebra 1 employment standard. Remember that this is not an endorsement, it is just an employment standard, and it will allow you to teach grades 6 through 8 plus Algebra 1. Now, you will only be able to do that in the state of Tennessee if you do an Algebra 1 employment standard. The Algebra 1 praxis would allow you to teach outside of the state, and it is Praxis 5162. Praxis 5165 is for all secondary mathematics, which gives you the ability to teach grades 6 through 12. This means that it is going to include your Algebra 2, pre-calculus, and calculus material. Don't worry, you will have support to study and pass those questions should you decide that this is the route that you would like to take. Your program facilitator for this program is Rhea Carmen. You can reach her at the email addresses on the screen or via the telephone number on the screen. Rhea is a master's mathematician, and she has a wealth of knowledge that she uses during the weekly sessions to support you and your growth as a mathematics teacher. Thank you so much for your interest. Please scan the QR code on the screen or visit our website to apply for the program. Thank you again for your time, and we'll see you in the math classroom.